So today I want to show you how you can have a Google Meet inside a Google Doc, Google Sheets, or Slides presentation. So I'm going to go up to the top and click on the Meet link. And I already have a code for my meeting, so I'm going to use a meeting code, and I'm going to paste that code in that box. Once I paste it, I'm going to click Continue, and then I'm going to click Join the Call, and I will now be in a meeting in my document. So now that I'm in the meeting, I'm going to copy the meeting link and I'm going to send it off to Jen so she can join the meeting.
Okay, so Judy shared a link with me for the Google Doc. I'm going to paste the link right in my Chrome browser and join now.
Hey, Jen.
Hi, Judy.
So I'm going to show how we can use a Google Meet inside a Google Doc. So right now, Jen, you just see a regular Google Meet, right?
Right.
Okay. So on my side, what I see is I'm in a Google Meet and I see Jen's picture over to the side. So down at the bottom left here, you're going to notice it says that I'm not presenting to this call. And if I want to work together in the doc, I need to share the document link into the meeting chat. So what I'm going to do first, I have to go up to the share button because I haven't shared this document with Jen. So I'm going to go ahead and share this document with Jen. And then I'm going to share the link in the Meet. Once I click the share the link, it automatically puts it into the Meet chat for me, and off it goes to Jen.
And I have it here. So if I click on the link from the chat, it will bring up the documents and I can bring the call right here. And voila!
So that's so easy. And so now we can work together on this document. And Jen, you can type your name in the document.
You said type name and
there we go. So
I typed
Jen's
your name
on the document. And now I'm going to write in the document. And then there we go. So we can continue to work on this document together. We could make a checklist in here if we want of things that we're working on. So I'm working on Jen all the time, so I'm going to check that off. All right. Thanks for watching.